Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of diamond, the stone of light and manifestation, and how you can incorporate crystal healing with diamond into your daily life. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your daily life. And today we'll be talking about how you can do that with diamond. And for those who are new to the channel or who have been watching my videos but haven't subscribed yet, I do want to let you know that when I do receive 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be starting to do weekly live session Q&As about gemstones and crystal healing and rock tumbling. And any question that you have about gemstones, you get the opportunity to ask during these weekly sessions. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and then we can start interacting on a more regular basis and interacting more directly. And today we're going to be talking about diamond. Now, this is a gemstone that many women wear, and we almost kind of forget about it because it's with us all the time. Diamond, the stone of light and manifestation. And, or sometimes when we do wear it, maybe we have a bracelet or a necklace, then it's for special occasions and we only take it out a couple of times. But diamond is a gemstone that can be very powerful and very supportive in our lives if we have that conscious intent to work with it on a more direct basis. So the first benefit of working with diamond in your life is that it attracts abundance. And this is a stone that helps attract positive opportunities to us. It helps us attract more financial stability to us. It's just a symbol of, financial stability and support in our lives. It helps to attract opportunities that will lift us up. But specifically, it helps us realize and recognize that those opportunities are there. Because sometimes in life, opportunity comes knocking and we don't notice it. And then it knocks again and we still don't notice it. Or we're like, oh, that can't be for us. Or, I don't think I can do that. And working with diamond intentionally helps us recognize that, hey, maybe I can do that. That keeps on coming up in my life. Or, photography keeps on coming up in my life, and I see signs about cameras and, taking pictures, and it's something I like to do on the side. Then maybe this is an opportunity of growth for me. Diamond helps not only attract those opportunities, but really helps us notice what's out there available for us. So the second benefit of diamond, if we're wearing it, sometimes it's a little hard to meditate with because it's not a bigger stone to hold, and we just have to kind of touch the jewelry that we're wearing. But the second benefit of diamond is that it amplifies manifestation. So this is a great stone for when you are planning your life, when you are envisioning the future, you are trying to manifest something in your life, then diamond is a great stone to work with intentionally. It's wonderful if you're doing vision boarding, if you are doing planning for the next year, the next quarter, or if there's something you've always wanted to pursue in your life or create in your life, like maybe you want to write a book And then working with diamond while you plan it, while you bring it to life, it helps all of those things come together easier for you to start bringing your dreams into reality. So if you are working with law of attraction, as I said, vision boards, you are working with a full moon ritual or a new moon ritual, diamond is helpful for you as well. So then diamond. What else? It's also the third benefit of working with diamond is that it's the stone of light. And it brings light and hope into our lives. So if you're having a dark period in your life, if you're low, you're depressed, things kind of haven't gone your way, then diamond helps you remember the good things in your life. It helps us with gratitude and appreciation for what we do have. It reminds us that there is light at the end of the tunnel, that dark periods are temporary, and we will get to experience the joy again. It lights up our lives. It brings hope and optimism and brightness. And so if times are a little rough right now, then focusing on your diamond jewelry, wearing it, or even just picturing it in your mind. I do understand that diamond isn't a stone that everybody can just rush out and get, but you can hold a picture of it. You can picture it in your mind and still channel that wonderful diamond energy. So the fourth benefit of diamond is that it helps to strengthen commitment. So of course, diamond is one of the most common gemstones for engagement and wedding rings, and for promise rings, commitment rings. Diamond is one of the most common gemstones, and I have both diamond and sapphire in my ring as well. But this is a stone that helps remind us like why we cherish the person that we're with. It helps strengthen that love. It helps us strengthen that commitment and recognize each other as part of a working pair, a working unit together. And so, if you're having a rough time in your relationship, then working intentionally with diamond will help to strengthen that bond. And it also helps you make stronger commitments in your relationship, which is one of the reasons why it's given as a promise ring, as an engagement ring, as a wedding ring, because it helps us strengthen our sense of commitment to that person. So it's also a stone of cleansing and renewal. So if things are feeling stagnant in a relationship, then sitting with diamond will help bring freshness, brightness to that relationship. It's why it's also a common anniversary gift, to remind each other of the sparks, of the love, of the affection, to bring newness. Now, I don't say that like giving your partner a diamond is going to make everything all right, but it is an active reminder of why we love this person. And it is a very strong show of, I love you. Let us work closer as a unit and a pair. So diamond is a stone that really, it wants you to shine. It wants you to be the best and brightest version of yourself and do those things in life that you're meant to do, that you're good at, that it wants you to manifest those wonderful opportunities in your life, and it wants you to be positive and bright and optimistic. It's a really uplifting stone that really enhances that inner version of ourselves and lets us bring it out to the world. So thank you so much for joining me to talk about diamond, which is also the birthstone for those born in April. You know, it's just a wonderful gem. And like I said, I know it's a little pricey, so you can't always go out and buy it, but images of diamond will work as well. So thanks again for joining me. And if you're new to the channel, if this is one of the first videos that you're watching from me, then I talk about a new gemstone every single week. And on Thursdays, I post these informational videos about a particular gemstone, and on Saturdays I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So in 2 days, on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with diamond. So if the situations that I described today are things that you want to cultivate more in your life, then make sure to subscribe and then sit Saturday with some diamond or a picture of diamond and see how that diamond energy connects to you and see if those scenarios connect with you. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.